Yes guys, it is that time of year again. We are down here in Palatka, Florida racing GNCC at Hogwaller. It's a hot sunny day here in Florida. The racers are real excited for this one. It is a 14-mile track of just straight up sand and dirt. We right now have a matchup we have been waiting all year to see. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is Sam versus himself. That goes to show it's really you versus you out there. That's the mindset a lot of these racers have going into this race. Sam is coming off a strong second place finish in FTR. He's looking to continue that streak, possibly getting a first place finish today. And here the Schoolboy Juniors go. Sam absolutely flying down, looking like he's going to get the whole shot right here. And he does. Absolutely flying right now. It's almost as if he has no competition out here. He is losing control, and there he goes. Only 1 minute into the race, and he's in the bushes. Let's switch it up real quick. Today, Max is racing a Honda TRX 450 in the 16 to 18 Sea Rider class. This is his first time ever racing a Honda 450, and let alone GNCC. So he is excited, yet a little bit nervous, so let's see how he does today.
Second, Eli Davis, Max Rodriguez, Lucas Carroll, Aiden Doyle, Braxton Benner,
Wait. Hold on a second. Let's watch that again real quick. Yes, it looks like Max stalled on the takeoff. Not a good start for the rookie. Let's see if he can catch up to the rest of the pack and make a few passes before they get into the woods. Making his first pass right here, Max is quickly catching up to the rest of the pack. It is not an easy fight for him. He has to get past all these riders as fast as he can to even have a chance at finishing top 3. Nearly crashing right there. Wow, that was very close. Now he's passed back into 11th place, going into the woods. An early pileup right here. Can't say I'm surprised. This happens a lot in these tight wood sections. And here we have Max passing Sam. Still seems to be stuck in the bushes. I really don't know what is going on right now. Very dusty coming up. You might actually lose sight of the track, and as Max is, he does lose sight of the track, but he still manages to make the pass and continue going. Luckily for Max, he is no stranger to the dust or this terrain. Here he goes, Max, making a mistake. He goes around the tree where he should have went straight, and it's going to cost him because now he is being passed back into 11th place. Another pileup coming up. Max needs to use this to his advantage and get around these riders. It looks like he does. Now he is in 9th place, chasing for that 8th place spot. And here we got Sam, looking like he's getting stuck right here, and he does. He's rutted out right now, forcing the bike to get out of the ruts. Not a smart move by Sam. He needs to get off the bike to push it out of the rut if he wants his best chance to keep going. But it seems like he's making it through. And he loses control and he crashes. He flips the bike coming out of the ruts. It looks like his back tires gained traction and he lost control of the bike. Hopefully Sam can recover and regain that lost momentum. Max finishing his first lap in 9th place. He still needs a lot of catching up to do if he wants to finish a top 3. Looked like a sudden stop. Max definitely gave that rider whiplash. There he goes, and he does gain around him very swiftly. Now he is in 7th place. Sam is stuck sideways on the track. I don't know how this happened, but he is now a roadblock to these other racers trying to get by. And there goes Max getting stuck again. He has to correct these mistakes because it will eventually catch up to him. Due to some dropouts, Max is now in 4th place, finishing his 2nd lap. Also being right behind 3rd place. Soon to catch up, and he does. 3rd place with refueling on the side of the track, and Max makes the pass. Now in 3rd place. What a comeback from Max. Oh no, it looks like we spoke too soon. Max's engine just stalled out. If he can't continue, it looks like his race is over. Unfortunately, it is. Today, Max couldn't finish his 3rd lap, ultimately finishing 9th place overall. And Sam, of course, got 1st place. Congratulations to Sam. He absolutely deserved that win. He was one of the best riders out there today. Well guys, that is it for the video. Unfortunately for Max, his oil pump stopped working, so his engine didn't get any oil and it ended up seizing up, breaking a piston. Unfortunately, that's just the way it goes. Don't worry, he'll be coming back next week stronger, better than ever. Speaking of, we are going to Georgia for the general GNCC race. I will be going as well. I will be racing. This is my first GNCC race in over a decade, which sounds crazy to say, but I am very pumped. I'm very excited, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, well I guess that's it for me, so thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.